It's KJ Phonetics here and welcome back to my channel. The new South Korean web series entitled Gyeongsong Creature held an online press conference on December 19, 2023. Starring the main cast, Park Seo-joon, Han So-hee, Soo-yoon, Kim Hae-suk, and Jo Han-chul. This drama is set in the dark spring of 1945 in Gyeongsong, during the Japanese colonization of Korea. The series depicts the story about two young adults confront a strange creature born of greed and battle against it for survival, and the people who also fight fiercely at the border between life and death. The series also follow a mysterious missing person cases, and they come upon a terrible reality. Park Seo-joon plays as the role of Jang Tae-sang. Han So-hee plays as Yoon Chae-ok. Soo-yoon will take on the role of Yukiko Maeda. Kim Hae-suk played the role as Mrs. Nawol. Jo Han-chul play as the role of Yoon Jung-won. Gyeongsong Creature, also known as K-Project, is a historical, mystery, horror, thriller, and an action series that consists of 10 episodes. It will air on Netflix. The series will be divided into two parts. The first part will premiere on December 22, 2023, with 7 episodes, followed by the second part with the remaining 3 episodes. It will release on January 5, 2024. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.